Hi, I'm Katie from Legal Nodes, and today we'll be looking at why a token cap table can be a very useful tool for Web3 contributors, investors, and founders. Legal Nodes has recently released a brand new token cap table template, which you can download for free via the link in the description box or find it at legalnodes.com. We've also released a separate video which has a step-by-step guide explaining how you can complete the token cap table. You can find that linked in the description box too. Before we get started, I'd just like to remind you that this video, including the template itself, is not legal advice. This video is for informational purposes only. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified legal professional before using any templates for your business. Right, let's get started. So this is the token cap table. This token cap table has 3 tabs, which we will go through step by step briefly in this video. Now, this is because this video is designed to help anybody who is involved in a Web3 project or anyone who's thinking about using tokens as a funding mechanism in their Web3 project. So this token cap table can help us to calculate how many tokens a person will receive, which we can see over here in the token allocation part of the table. How many tokens a person will receive after the conversion of their token warrants, their token side letters, or upon exercising their token options. So the token cap table helps us to accurately calculate the distribution of tokens for investors and contributors during the token conversion process without setting something called a token hard cap or a token price at this early stage of the project. Now, this approach ensures that the project itself remains sufficiently decentralized, and this reduces regulatory risks associated with setting an initial token price. It also helps avoid problems with the valuation of the project in future fundraising rounds. And so problems can arise when founders have priced their token at a really early stage. For example, let's say that a founder gives the price of $1 per token. So if we have a token hard cap of 100 billion tokens, the result is that the project would be valued at $100 billion, which is just an impossible valuation at such an early stage. So what the token cap table does is it's often used for modeling calculations of future token conversions. So when contracts are being signed, the price of the tokens are not yet known, but the token cap table lets us see how much, hypothetically, future token holders will have to pay for their tokens. So the token cap table consists of input and output data. And the input data includes things like the token hard cap, the types of the different token pools themselves, which you can see here. In particular here, the blue numbers are the numbers that you can modify. So we can put in the token hard cap and we can also modify these numbers as well. There are also other bits of relevant information that founders will have to insert into this document in order to simulate various different token distribution scenarios. And you can see them across the different tabs, and we'll explore that in the other video. So the output data, which is the token allocation, this bit over here, I'll just move myself out the way. So this calculates the number of tokens based on the input data and the formulas that are built into this Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. It works on both formats. And it also, the formulas that we've built in, it's something that's prescribed already in the token warrant or the token option agreement that the Web3 founder would be using in their Web3 project. So if you'd like to see how to actually use this token cap table template, you'll need to check out the other video. And remember, if you do decide to use this for your business, always seek qualified legal advice to make sure that your calculations are as accurate as possible and are compliant with all the applicable laws. Remember, you can download this for free at legalnodes.com or via the link in the description, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.